I'm Helga with Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Tonight I'm back with you for Helga's Happy Holidays. This is a real quickie one, but it's simple. It's only 3 ingredients, no cooking, and a great last minute thing to take to parties or gatherings, and we all love it. It's one of our favorites. And these are the ham and pickle roll-ups. So all you need is sliced deli ham, and I get it medium to thick cut. Philadelphia cream cheese, don't chintz on the cream cheese, and Vlassic Kosher Dills, the whole pickles for this. So I'll show you how I do it quick, and let's get to it. All that goes into this is 3 ingredients. Vlassic Kosher Dill wholes, the bigger size, Philadelphia cream cheese, and medium to thick sliced honey ham lunch meat. So, and yes, I want Philadelphia cream cheese, and yes, I want the Vlassic pickles. Those actually make the best combination for this and hold up the best for making these little appetizers. Couple notes. I dry the pickles, and I actually dry the lunch meat. Make sure that all the water is off, because that will allow the cream cheese to spread better. Let your cream cheese come to room temperature and put a nice even layer out to the edges so it'll seal. Like that. And I'll do it this way so you can see. And then we just take the pickle and we roll it up like this. So it's rolled. And then we slice it. The ends are sacrificial. There you go. And that's all there is to it. This is so easy, and so many people like these, and I'm sure other people have shown you how to do them too. But it's a really quick thing to make up with only 3 ingredients, no cooking involved, and perfect for the holidays. And like I said, when we take these, they're always gone. Everybody loves them. And, you know, because the ends aren't, you know, pretty, I gotta eat those. And got another one ready. If you make sure that the cream cheese goes out to the ends like that, then it will stay nicely rolled. Make sure you can press it nice. So you can see that's the other thing about this. I think they're really pretty. I like how they look. So you always have the little ends that, you know, the end of the pickle and stuff, and not the prettiest, but boy, are they good for eating. And I love these things. So good. Vlassics are a really good crunchy pickle. They hold up really well to this, and they're a little bit brinier, which works really well with the richness of the cream cheese and the saltiness of the ham. So there you have it. The ham and pickle roll-ups. Something super easy. It's always a crowd pleaser, and no time at all. So we'll continue on with Helga's Happy Holidays. I have some more ideas for you coming up here over the next couple weeks.